Lay your case on a flat surface and open the main compartment. Find the reverse zipper running along the edge at the top of the case. The zipper slider itself may be tucked away under the seam. You may need to use a small screwdriver to expose it, so you can unzip the lining. Pull down the lining to reveal the screws securing the front spinner wheels. You may need to remove a few pieces of protective tape and/or foam to reveal the screws. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws inside the case, as well as the 2 screws outside of the case by rotating the screwdriver counterclockwise. Remove the damaged wheel housing to replace with the new one. Align the new wheel housing over the existing holes. Insert and fasten the outer screws. Insert and fasten the inner screws. You'll need to hold the wheel housing in place on the outside of the bag while fastening the screws to ensure proper contact and traction. Be careful not to over-tighten, as you may strip the screw. You'll want to replace any protective adhesive tape and foam removed, then re-zip the lining. Your repair is now complete. Simple as that.